Alright, today we're going to be taking off the water pump down here and replacing the gasket. You can see there by the discoloration on it, it's been leaking out of there, but we'll take that off and hopefully get this thermostat off here in a little bit. So first things first, we're going to have to take this bolt off on the alternator so we can loosen these belts to get this water pump off. So the water pump's connected to the fan. There's a nut in the bolt, so you'll have to hold that bolt still, or the nut on the back of the bolt still to get it off. Put these over here for right now, and we're gonna have to adjust this here to hopefully get some of the tension off this. Okay, so to let the tension out, you're just gonna want to push down on your alternator, and then your belt should come off pretty easy. All right, so next we're gonna see if we can start on these bolts. On these water pump bolts.
Much better vehicle.
Alright, so we're gonna install the thermostat gasket up here and the water pump gasket today. So we gotta drain the coolant. Already got the alternator off right now. Just move this tensioner and yeah, get these on. Oh, and it looks like it's just gonna come out easy. Wow. Something come off easily? Holy shit.
Maybe. Fence out, get out of the way. You fence it out. Alright. There's a bolt still in it, so be careful. Oh gee. Not too sure why it's still in there. Probably just to mark where it's at. But
yeah.
Can I see your thingies? The bolts again?
The bolts, yeah. I do not have those. I left those.
They're gone.
I threw those away. We didn't need those.
That should come off, right? With the water pump.
It should. I don't think we'll have to pull it off.
Do these bolts go all the way through?
We shall see. I imagine it's just a stud, and you're gonna have to wiggle it off.
Yeah, probably so. Okay, please, whatever this taped up crap is, please do not fail me.
It'll be fine. Oh, I was wondering what that was. That's the burn barrel over there.
Oh, very nice.
It was like, something smells nice.
It smells very nice.
What's being cooked?
It's
Oh, cardboard.
It's Leroy.
Oh,
Leroy is on fire.
Ah!
Dear God.
It's contagious.
Oh no!
I've set another one on ablaze again.
This is trying to kill itself. Stop! It's just like wrapping the wire. Why would they? Why? Idiots. Idiots!
Yeah, this is what happens when a Lexus owner buys rotary.
What Lexus on?
Yeah, he had like a SC something and like a Lexus like sedan. I think like a GS or an LS.
Get to offsetter.
But yeah, he manual swapped them, so you know, I guess he can do that, but wire? Nah. Wiring, that's above him.
You need to come off, and then the bottom needs to come off.
Yeah, so
and I think we can get the rest of it.
I guess we'll grab some pliers and use it right here. This fella?
Yeah, right there.
This man.
This man. Okay.
Yeah, that is not a fun angle.
What vascular arms you have, look.
Yes, I work out so much by doing absolutely nothing.
Of course.
It is the best workout. I can just
Xbox and sleep. And work on OT.
occasionally.
I've always called them channel.
It's just a brand. Those are adjustable pliers, Luke.
Adjustable pliers, no!
Gonna get sued calling them channel locks. Yeah, really.
Adjustable pliers?
Everyone knows adjustable stuff is best, obviously.
Yeah, of course.
The crescent wrench.
You look up. You like grow like 2 inches tall to get down. I can't see it. Or is the phone blocking it?
Okay.
Oh, the phone was blocking it.
I just had to squat.
Oh, very nice.
Let me hit the squat.
Hey, you don't mean get you a light?
Me a headlight? Or an actual light? Come on, get off.
Let me just come over here and just lean over it.
I got it. Look. Hey, whip.
There we go.
Wiggle. That better be off.
Wiggle that boy. Ooh, baby.
It's a little juicy. Come on, get off.
Come on. Oh, baby.
Oh, it's hot.
Are you down?
I'm fine.
Yeah, we had it, you know, centered. It just sprayed, so there was nothing we could do there.
That's the wrong kibble right there. Is that your entire radiator?
What is
Your
it?
entire radiator just leak on the ground? Is that what it is?
Basically.
Yeah, we got it up. Or kind of up. You got it
Yeah,
started.
this baby was full.
Alright, so let me get the sucker off. So this thing and everything. This can come off and go with the radiator. Or the alternator.
Yeah, it sprayed a little bit of coolant out then, but there wasn't really much we could do because we had the thing centered under there. It just had to pee. It just really had to pee.
That'll work. That's better than what I had. How about you, Logan?
Luke said I can't hold a line. Hold a line still. Beat me with a wrench.
Actually, yeah, this one is still my go-to weapon of choice.
Oh, that's pretty much as much as we can.
Yeah, that's fine. Go.
We'll just use some what's it called?
Water. Kitty litter. What?
Clean that up. I mean, the EPA will.
I did not say that the EPA did not come get me. I said no such thing.
Luke didn't say that. That was a AI.
Yeah.
It didn't happen. Did not happen. It was a lie.
The EPA does not exist.
Made by the EPA. Fake news. Fake. All right, that works. On the trash where it belongs. On the trash where Troy Civic belongs.
Yes.
I didn't say that.
Where this one belongs too. It barely runs.
It runs.
Does not like to run.
It runs pretty well.
Okay. And is there anything else? I don't see anything else.
It looks like just those bolts.
Yeah. Alright.
It looks like it's gonna be simple.
Don't fuck up the Mazda cooler thing.
Yeah, that would not be good, Cat. Please do not do that. I would be quite sad. No chance. Yes. Oh, and the smoke signal? Luke doesn't like labeling things? Doesn't like labeling things? Huh. I wonder how that got like that. I wonder why it has so many creaks. What do you mean? It doesn't creak, it crackles. No.
It speaks in the tongues of horsepower. What are you talking about?
14.
Not as hot as me. I am
Look, I'm already on the verge of lung cancer by running this car, and being near Luke.
Hey now.
Not like, you know, but being near that.
I was like, whoa, what are you talking about? whoa.
Yeah, Luke, you give people lung cancer. Just
I am the lung cancer.
breathing the same air as you, just immediate.
Of course.
Just the EPA has regulated you.
I am ungovernable. The EPA. Is that all the bolts on there?
I think so.
That's all
I
I
don't
see.
feel any.
Where's hammer?
Hammer?
Hammer time.
I don't know if we want to hammer, but.
What do you mean? Look at that part. That's scary hammer. No fair.
That's the best we got right now. Here, I'm gonna probably stop recording and see if I can just. Oh, hell.
Yeah.
No. What's up, guys? It's Chris Fix here. The 1986 RX-7. Out with the old, in with the new.
You just yeet the gasket? That what you just did?
It didn't happen.
Didn't happen.
Which way? Does it matter? I don't think so.
Give me.
Okay, yeah, that'll work better.
PA is like this. There's a new gasket on there?
I mean, the old one got thrown, like, I would hope. I guess I would clean this thing real quick.
No, don't bust my fingers. Please don't bust my fingers open.
Look, do you want me to do it?
I'm just trying not to yank it off the stud so we don't have to get another gasket.
Yeah.
Oh, it's stuck.
Which we still might have to get another one. We'll see. Hopefully that stops it from leaking though. Is it on the? Yeah, it's on there. It's time for the pump.
The pump
We learned from
There we go, we're good.
we learned from that one time when we put the headers on and
What are you talking about?
that didn't happen. Okay. About to break a fingernail trying to do this. Oh no! Here, I get it. I'll just
You want to record for a second? Okay. It's hard to
Alright. The pump is on. Le pump.
Let me see your camera.
You see it. We see Luke. Oh, I can see Luke now. He was in the dark. And maybe it'll finally turn off the add coolant light. Maybe.
That'd be nice. Alright, sir, time for you to do your job.
Alright, so phone died, but got all the stuff back on and got the coolant drain. Don't know where the last left off, but yeah, got to put some coolant back in it, and yeah, should got it off the ramps. Yeah, we're pretty much done. Special thanks to Luke for helping out today. You guys in the next videos, like, subscribe, and yeah, if you want more Mazda content and some more stuff in this area, maybe just subscribe and watch some more, because that's the main thing that's going to keep me making more videos, is, if you guys want more. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
Much better vehicle.